Alright, special thanks to ESR Tech Made Easy for reaching out to me and giving me this product to create an unboxing video for you guys. This is the HaloLock magnetic wireless car charger. So it's MagSafe compatible, mountain charge, and secure magnetic lock. Tech Made Easy, ESR gear, ESR, nothing there. And the back, just wireless charger. The output is 15 watts max. So that's what you're gonna get from this wireless charger from ESR, which is pretty good. We got two little seals of tape here. Let's go ahead and cut these. And then it looks like slide right out to us. All right, look at that, very nice. You've discovered one of our favorite things. We've put a lot of thought into it and hope it makes your drive a little easier. The ESR team, very nice. I like that little thing being there. That's nice. Oh, look at this, got a little instruction pamphlet telling you exactly how it goes together. Oh wow, and all of the specs, everything, charging indicator information, very nice. Sadly, with me having a Tesla Model 3, I really can't show you this inside of a vent, but you know, I can show you what I can show you. So they got some scan for quick and easy setup, so that's great for somebody buying this. And what do we got here? Oh, look at that, I got more. MagSafe / HaloLock case. I'll fall off with a non-magnetic case. Always use the included USB cable. Other cables won't work well for me. Roads are never a problem. It's hard to hang on while off-roading. So you'll see here, this requires a caseless iPhone 13 or 12 series or an iPhone 13 or 12 series that's in a MagSafe HaloLock case. And you can see down here, look for 9 volt 2 amps or 12 volts 1.5 amp. Max output of 5 volts 1 amp is not enough. I love the little diagram. So this must be the included cable. Let's take a look at it. Oh no, this is part of it as well, okay. So this is the main part that kind of clips into your vents. Man, this thing really, with that design, that's gonna get in your vents and that shouldn't go anywhere. Like, it's just a metal that's not really breakable. So you press this down and put it into your vents. Very nice. Okay. Then a nice USB-C type cable. And then over here, that's it for the box. This is the actual device. There is the ESR logo. You just screw that off, pop it onto here, and then just pop this onto there, and retighten it. Very nice and easy. And so this is like a nice little brace. So it's able to clip into your vent and then use this brace to kind of keep it held up. So that's pretty nice. The USB-C cable goes in on the bottom, so that's helpful. It's not on the side or somewhere weird. And of course, with a caseless iPhone, it should just magnetize right to the back. Not really falling off there. Looks like it can go for a bit of a ride. Like if you were driving, that'd be pretty good. And so wow, that's all pretty nice. Let me actually let's take a minute and plug this up, just so you can see it working with me. We'll plug in our USB cable, and so if I swipe down, you can see that I am currently charging, and there's a nice little blue light here on the side, actually on each side. So that's pretty cool. Looks like maybe some cooling going on back here to let the device cool a little bit. This definitely seems like one of the better magnetic car chargers that I've seen. I mean, this clip, I would put a lot of confidence in this clip that my phone would not fall off. And from what I can currently see, I put a lot of confidence that the magnet will not drop my phone. Very nice. I wish I could really show you this on a car, but you know, Teslas don't have vents, so and those blue lights go away when it's not charging. All right, well there you go. That is the ESR HaloLock magnetic wireless car charger. Very nice. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.